Miss Universe Meghalaya and Miss Teen Meghalaya are basically pageants where from states we select candidates and we send them to represent our state. Now, if you're asking why Tura, is because I think this is the first time that we're coming to Tura, and we have a new state director, that is Mr. Brian Walang. So, according to him and the team, we decided that it's Miss Meghalaya Universe and it covers all the major regions of Meghalaya, and hence it was very important for us to reach out to every part and bring the best contestants, because at the end of the day, it's us sending a girl to represent Meghalaya, and it should not just be from Shillong but from Jowai as well, from the Jaintia Hills and from the Garu Hills.
We're going to be having a 12-day training period. Once the results are out from Tura, Jowai and Shillong, we're getting people from different walks of life to come and speak to them. We're going to check to see their fitness levels. So we're having a fitness competition. We are we're having a head-to-head challenge where each of them will come forward and speak about something which they feel strongly about. Winning or losing, they're going to come out transformed. They're going to come out more informed about things happening around them. And I'm sure the level of confidence will be much, much better. Me, I really want to get somebody from our state who's well-spoken, because she will be the representative of Meghalaya. She will be she will get that platform to speak about what is happening in our state, the qualities that are there within the young people that we have, the beauty that we have with regard to nature, and everything else about Meghalaya. She will get that platform where the whole country will listen to her when she speaks on that stage. We had 5 participants for the Miss category, and we had 8 for the teenage category, because we have a teenage category and we also have the Miss Meghalaya, Miss Universe Meghalaya category.
I came to Tura not knowing that the girls here are very competitive, very intelligent. So I was surprised, but then at the end I was like happy and proud of all of the girls. I believe that every girl should believe in themselves, even if they are introvert and scared of doing such things like pageantry and anything else in life, anything else in every field, but they should come forward and take a stand for themselves and believe in themselves and do everything with the best of their abilities and always take that brave step